RSG CM Series Premium Clarifier and Thickener drives. These drives are designed with the customer in mind and built to last. The RSG drives are the most innovative drives in the market today, with technology advancement way beyond our competitors. Our premium Clarifier drives come standard with a built-in low self gauge within a planetary gearbox that provides accurate and reliable torque protection for your drive that no other manufacturer can supply. This drive can be retrofitted to any Clarifier with a minimum adapter, if any at all. The RSG drive also comes standard with upgraded stainless steel piping, fasteners, and drain valves. The RSG drive comes with a new NEMA 4X stainless steel control panel with disconnect, VFD, short-term reverse capabilities, and a visual LED readout display with a torque percentage and voltage display at all times, giving our customers a peace of mind that their drive is operating correctly and efficiently at all times. The RSG Premium Drive Units, the most innovative, reliable Clarifier drives in the market today. Give us a call today for a quote on a new RSG CM Series Premium Clarifier drive.